Welcome to Recraft Fundamentals. Today we'll take a closer look at the graphic design and vector logo styles, and how you can create visuals like this using nothing more than a simple prompt. Start by clicking Styles in the left panel. Here you'll find the vector logo category. Let's select Colorful Badge Logo. In the prompt field, describe your idea. You can also adjust the artistic style slider to control how clean, stylized, or detailed the output will be. Then click Generate. Once the logo is ready, you can fine-tune every color on the right panel, that because we used a vector style. Just click any color and replace it with a new one. Now let's switch to the graphic design category in the Styles menu. These styles are perfect for posters, covers, social graphics, and quick concepts. Pick any of the styles. For this demo, let's choose this one. Type your prompt, hit Generate, and Recraft automatically handles the fonts, spacing, and composition for you. If you want to explore variations, simply tweak the prompt or switch to another style. The workflow stays the same, but the results will look completely different every time. We've prepared a project with all the examples, styles, and prompts you saw in this video. To try it yourself, open the link in the description, sign in if needed, click Copy to my projects, and you're ready to explore. Follow for more tutorials like this.